Hey guys, I'm just making this video to provide an example of what Edpuzzle is and what it can do. It is basically it's a teacher video social media device that allows you to share these video lessons and create whole lessons with them. Here are some from ETSU. You can also just get regular videos from YouTube. And what you can do is build these little lessons. This one's I'm making right now called Before the Civil War. And I'm about to add this little Causes of the Civil War video. And what's cool about this is they have little add-ons, little questions that you can click on as the video goes on, and it gives little questions. And you can upload your own pre-made videos and add these questions on and put them into your own lesson and create a completely novel lesson out of that. And you can also, you have all the class members, the grade book, you can set due dates. It's a very useful tool. I think I'll be using it in the future. Especially these little questionnaire videos. I think that's a very cool thing. Thank you very much.